Next, I'm going to show you how to install Immich. Immich is a photo viewer similar to iCloud or Google Photos with a couple of benefits. The first is that it's AGPL and open source. Second is you're running your server, not Google or Apple. Third is that it has amazing machine learning capabilities, so you can have it run machine learning on all your photos, and then you can search cat on chair, angry ex-boyfriend, happy time at park, Christmas, and it'll just show you pictures that are related to your search term. It loads them instantly. This program loads things with machine learning features on a Core i3 NUC from 2017 faster than Nextcloud loads anything on an Intel Core i7 14700K processor with an NVMe SSD and 64 gigs of RAM. It's an amazingly efficient program. It is fast. It is not like Nextcloud when you scroll through and it's like load. This thing is faster without image thumbnails than Nextcloud is with image thumbnails. It does video proxies. So if you have a video on your server that was recorded in high bitrate and you want to show somebody it and you have a slow internet connection, you can have it encode a video proxy, which is a smaller version of that file, not as high quality, but you'll be able to stream it even if you're using something like a Pixel, which loses 5G when you walk under a tree. It has all this machine learning capability, but it runs on your computer. This never has to connect to the internet in order to work. Once you install this program, every one of its features will function without you having to connect to the internet, which is amazing. So you have all the benefits of machine learning with none of the downsides of somebody else spying on all your shit and having control over your library. Immich puts you in control of your photo library, and it allows you to scroll through things exceptionally fast. This is very important because most modern smartphones don't have a micro SD card slot anymore, which means that you don't have the capability to just swap in your card and have a terabyte of storage on your phone to store all your stuff, unless you pay an exorbitant amount of money. You'll be looking at paying upwards of $1,500 nowadays to get a phone that is a flagship that has 1 terabyte of storage, whereas back in the day, you could spend less than $90 on a 1 terabyte micro SD card that you put into your phone to have all of your stuff. This program allows you to have all of your stuff almost instantly accessible from all of your photo libraries from anywhere you want. And if you're using it behind OpenVPN, that means you can access it from anywhere in the world. It's a great little piece of software, and we're going to get started. I can do cool stuff like this. I can search for sports car, and it will show me everywhere that there is a sports car. I can go cat in chair, and it will show me every time there's been a cat in a chair. I can search for angry cat, and it'll show me this. And if I search for happy cat, well, it's kind of hard to tell. But in all seriousness, this is actually pretty cool. Let's see if I show lake. I'll see that. Koi fish pond. I mean, this is cool. There's really no other way to put it. This program is awesome. Now, if I want to set this up on my Android phone, I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to go over to the F-Droid store on my phone, download Immich. You can do it. I believe in you. Install. Open. HTTP. 192.168.5.5.2283. Boom. Now I can log in with my hypersecure demo password. It doesn't get any more secure than that, man. I hit search so that you kind of skipped ahead to that because you don't get to see the videos the pictures I have on here. I go cat on chair. That shit's gorgeous. This program just got added to the phone. Cat on chair instantly. Lambo. That's a Lambo. And that's a Need for Speed. That's actually Need for Speed 2. A photo of the case of Need for Speed 2 with, no, Need for Speed 3 actually. That's Hot Pursuit. Yeah. Need for Speed 3, Hot Pursuit with a Lamborghini Diablo on the front of it. And it saw that in that piece of shit picture I took. What happens if I search for shitty car actually? Wait, is it calling this a shitty car? Excuse me. I think some of my audience would really like to have a fucking Corvette. Anyway. I would show you the people feature, but in order to show you the people feature where it is you can search for every single image that has a specific person in it, you would have to see the people in there, and then again, the whole privacy thing. You get the idea. This is pretty much, in my opinion, on par with Google Photos or iCloud, and it runs on your server. You control it. The machine learning is awesome, and if you don't like the machine learning algorithm it comes with by default, install your own. They allow you to. It's awesome. It's a beautiful piece of software. In my opinion, worth paying